अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं फ्राइड राइस। अगर आप चिकन ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो सॉटे द श्रेडेड चिकन बिफोर एडिंग द वेजीज। हियर आई एम कुकिंग द राइस। ये बासमती राइस है। कुक द राइस टू 80% डन, स्ट्रेन एंड कीप इट असाइड टू कूल। फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए अ मीडियम बोल ऑफ मिक्स्ड वेजीज। You can use whatever veggies you have. 1 small onion chopped, 5 to 6 garlic pods chopped, 1 cube of chicken stock, quarter spoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, salt, half spoon sugar, half teaspoon pepper, and cooked and cooled rice. This is 500 grams of basmati rice. इसके साथ में we need vinegar as well. Heat a wok, add a ladle of oil, keep on high flame, add the crushed garlic, saute for a minute. Now add the chopped onions, saute till light brown. Keep the pan on high flame. Once the onions are translucent, add the cabbage first. Saute for a minute or so on high flame. Then add the capsicum, saute and then add the sliced carrots. Mix well. Saute on high flame. Do not lower the flame at all. Now add pepper powder, salt and sugar. Stir. Now add the soya sauce and the green chilli sauce. Now crush and add the chicken cube. This also contains salt, so see that you don't add too much of salt. Now add the cooked and cooled rice. It has to be grainy. Mix well. Don't let the grains break. Saute on high flame for 5 minutes. Now add quarter spoon of vinegar and half spoon of sesame oil. This is completely optional. Fry the rice on high flame for at least 5 minutes. Now it is done. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.